Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, purple color, sky blue color, light pink color, brown color, black color, light green color, yellow color, pink color, red color, blue color, and orange color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E. And U is green color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H. The alphabets of H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. Kids, now you draw L. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. It's now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V. The alphabets of V. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.